All right, ladies and gents, our next test we're going to perform is our pH test on our two soil samples. We're going to demo the test on the crime scene sample, and then we will perform the test on the suspect sample. This takes a little time to perform the test, so we'll speed it up through some movie magic. All right, first thing we have to do, we have to add pH indicator solution to the graduated test tube until line 4. So my lovely lab assistant Bridget's going to do that. And hold the test tube with the other hand. And just add it in. Let me get a good shot of that. There we go. Squeeze it good. Get it all the way up to line 4. Good job. All right, we can put that down. Now you're going to add 2 scoops of the soil using the 1/2 gram scoop, which is in our sample already, and add that to the soil. I'll hold that for you while you do that. 2 scoops. That's 1 scoop. There you go, and 2 scoops put in. Very good. All right, we got to put the cap on. All right, and I'll take it from here, sweetie. So once the cap is on, we are essentially just going to hold the cap on and shake it for 1 whole minute. You don't need to see that. So once we finish shaking it, we have to actually let the sediment, and if you look, you can see there's quite a bit of sediment in there, settle to the bottom before we can see the real color change. So we will rejoin you when the test is complete, and we'll complete the test on the suspect sample as well while we wait. All right, ladies and gentlemen, our pH testing is done. We have agitated and shaken these 2 samples for 1 minute and then allowed the sediment to settle to the bottom. Our crime scene sample is on the left and our suspect sample is on the right. And you see a pretty distinctive color difference between them. The crime scene sample looks almost like a dark blue, whereas the suspect sample is kind of a light green. Now what we need to do is actually compare their colors to our essential color change key to get the approximate pH. So we'll start with our crime scene sample. So it's always good to have it kind of up against a light surface as we do this. So let me check it out. It looks almost to be the dark blue that we see in the middle there. So that'd be about a 7.0 pH. Make sure you write that down on your data tables. And then if we bring up our suspect sample, you can see that's very much a light green, so it's with the 5.0 pH. So make sure you record those numbers on your data table.